In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. First of all, open TikTok app on your Android or iPhone. It's the same option. Then, as you can see, the TikTok homepage. Then tap on the profile icon in this bottom right corner. And after that, tap on three-line menu in this top right. And tap on gear icon. Yes. Then tap on privacy and scroll up, and here is blocked account. Tap on, and as you can see, here is someone account I have blocked. Just tap here to unblock this person. As you can see, this person is unblocked. If I refresh again, this person is gone from blocked list. So that way you can unblock someone on TikTok. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.